Good morning, everyone. Well, today I was going to do 3 more base pages, but I didn't have anything ready that I actually had set aside. So I thought I'd go through my color scraps, and I'm going to take out everything I don't want and then try to make some base pages with what's left. Now I've already taken these out while I was pulling stuff out, and I have everything else set up by color, and if I think I can make a card out of it, I might set that aside too. And like I have these kind of off-whites or ivories and parchment, so I'm gonna set that aside. Like this is very vanilla. I have these that are like speckled, so I'm gonna speed things up, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, I went through the off-whites, these kind of yellowish but very pale, and the pinks. So I'm going to put these together and maybe make cards with them. So I could get 4 cards right there. I have these that I don't know what to do with, but I like them, so I'm going to save them. And this is pinks that I don't know what I'm doing with yet, but I like them, so I'm going to save them. I have a pile over here of several that I'm going to get rid of. And, well, let's see. I'm going to put these in here. These I thought I'd put together. Whoops. This here and this. I can do something with that, maybe. Add something to it in this pile to make a page kit or base page. And these here, I like those together so they can be a base page. Whoops, I tried to pick them up here. I like these together, but so that could make a card. I like these together. I don't know if it's enough for a page, but it could make a card, but I'm going to put it in a page for right now. And I like these together, but probably only as a card. And these here for a card. And these here I thought would be cute as a card. And I could always add teal and maybe make another. I mean, I could find the right color and maybe do a page. I think this two below. Close. Let's see. I think I'll keep that with it. Maybe make 2 cards. Okay, so I'm going to pick this stuff up and then I'll do another round tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.